Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rohit Nair, your financial advisor. Now, in our previous video, we saw the importance of having life insurance. And after that, a lot of you have asked me, what is life insurance? We have understood, but how much life insurance do I need to have? Let me tell you a story first. I think all of you have heard the story of the golden goose. So what happens is, there is this farmer, and when he was walking in his farm, one day he saw a goose which looked very beautiful and very pretty, and it was shining. So he felt, oh, this is a very unique goose, I should take it back. This farmer took this goose and he kept it in his house. He realized the next day morning that this goose laid a golden egg. He was astonished, shocked and happy at the same time, because he had a goose who would give a golden egg. He went to the market, sold the egg, got money and did his work with that money that he earned. Now he was very happy because he had this goose, and every day this goose used to give one golden egg. As in how the time progressed, he realized that if I have this goose with me, I'm going to be financially well settled and I don't have to worry about anything. But tomorrow if something happens to the goose, it is going to be an issue. He's also thinking the same thing what you guys are thinking. I need to make sure that I need to protect this goose on top of everything. That should be my highest priority, because if I have this goose, I have the golden egg. But one day, this goose died. And unfortunately, he no more is getting this eggs, the golden egg, which he could take back to the market and sell. One mistake that this farmer did, and I don't want you to repeat, is he did not insure that goose. If you would have had protected the goose, the golden egg would have been coming lifelong. And that's the same thing with us. Let's take an example of a person. This person, let's say he earns 50,000 a month, so a year he earns 6 lakh rupees, right? That means he is the golden goose who lays 50,000 rupees a month. That's the golden egg, right? So if something happens to this person, what will happen? 6 lakh rupees coming per year will stop. But do you think the EMI, the school bills, the light bills, the expenses that we have for our groceries and everything, will it stop? No, the family will still need that money. The lifestyle is set for 50,000, so that lifestyle will start deteriorating, right? So the family still needs that money. Now let's see how I can have that golden egg happening every year for me. The simplest of all is a FD, right? So today the FD rates are say 5%. How much amount of money do I need to say have 6 lakh rupees as yearly interest? Roughly around, if you are a math expert you will know this, but roughly around 1.2 crores. Now tell me something, does anyone have 1.2 crores ready in their bank account? A person earning 6 lakh rupees? I hardly doubt. If you have land, then you might sell it and you getting 1.2 crores. Okay, but if you don't have it, then what? Do you have gold of 1.2 crores? Not really. So you should have something that is called life insurance. How much? Of 1.2 crore. Now you will ask me, Rohit, how did you end up coming to this value of 1.2 crore? Simple, it is a thumb rule. So if I am earning 6 lakh rupees a year, multiply 6 lakhs into 20. What is that? 1.2 crores. Take this 1.2 crores and the family doesn't understand anything about finance and they keep it in a FD. The FD at a rate of 5% will give them 6 lakh rupees a year. So what happened is, you replaced the golden goose over here and the family will still get 6 lakh rupees a year. That's the thumb rule, and that is how much insurance one should have. So go back and check how much insurance do you have. People are happy having say, I have 3-4 policies, I have 5-6 policies. Go and check what is the sum assured, what is the insurance value that you have, and see if that insurance value is 20 times of what you earn per year. If not, that is something that we have to work on. That's it from my side. I hope you guys have understood how much insurance do I need. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, share this video with your friends and family so that they also understand the importance of how much insurance should one have, so they are protected and their family is well protected financially. That's it from my side. Jai Hind.